Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add and manage users in Monday.com. Whether you're building out your team or adjusting permissions for existing members, understanding how to control user access is essential for keeping your workspace organized and secure. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to make sure you have admin permissions for your Monday.com account. Without these, you won't be able to invite or manage users. Once you've confirmed that, click on your profile picture located in the top right corner of your screen. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From that drop-down menu, select Administration. This is your control center for managing everything related to your account settings and user permissions. Once you're in the Administration section, look at the left panel where you'll see various management options. Click on Directory in that left panel. This will expand a submenu with more specific categories. From the expanded menu, select Users. This is where you'll see a complete list of everyone who currently has access to your Monday.com account along with their roles and permissions. Now to invite new users, click the Invite button in the top right corner of the Users page. A dialog box will appear prompting you to enter the details of the people you want to add. In the email field, type in the email addresses of the users you want to invite. If you're adding multiple people at once, just separate their email addresses with commas and the system will recognize each one individually. Next, you'll need to assign a role to each user. Monday.com offers several options: member, admin, viewer, or guest. Members have full access to boards and can create content. Admins have the highest level of control, including the ability to manage other users. Viewers can see boards but can't edit them, and guests have limited access to specific boards only. Choose the role that best fits each person's needs. Once you've entered the emails and selected the appropriate roles, click the Invite button to send out the invitations. The users will receive an email prompting them to join your workspace. Now let's talk about managing existing users. This is just as important as adding new ones, especially as your team evolves and responsibilities shift. In the Users section, you can edit, deactivate, or delete users as needed. If you have a long list, you can use the search or filter functions to quickly find specific people. To change someone's role, simply click on their current role listed under the User Role column. A drop-down will appear with all available options: admin, member, viewer, guest, or any custom roles you've created. If you need to deactivate a user, perhaps because they've left the team or no longer need access, click the three-dot menu next to their name. From the options that appear, select Deactivate User. You'll be asked to confirm this action, and if the user owns any automations, you may need to transfer ownership of those to another team member before proceeding. There's also an optional way to give users access directly at the board level without granting them full account access. This is useful for collaborators who only need to work on specific projects. To do this, open the board where you want to add someone. Click the Invite button in the top right corner of the board. Enter their email addresses and set their permissions, choosing whether they can edit or only view the board. Then click Invite as members to send the invitation. And that's it. You've now set up user access in Monday.com, giving you full control over who can see and edit your workspace. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.